Good morning, all of you. Vipin sir hai. This is class-wise science, the second chapter, keeping healthy. Okay, we already posted this two videos of this same chapter. So we were discussing about the components of food, different types of nutrients which we take in our daily life, which we must include in our daily food. That already we discussed. That is this one proteins, carbohydrates, fats, then vitamins and minerals, then water and roughage. Okay, so those all these things, I think almost you may understood those all these things. So today we are going to discuss this a small topic, balanced diet, and in page number 17, page number 16, a big table is given there about different types of deficiency diseases. Okay, so we will study that in detail, deficiency diseases. Okay, which comes under the category of non-communicable disease. Okay, so that is we are going to study deficiency disease and why deficiency diseases are affect our body, how it comes in our body, that we are going to study. Then different types of, we already know that in vitamins and mineral section we studied about the different types of vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin C, D and vitamin K, etc., and why those vitamins are needed for our body. Okay, we already studied that one about the vitamins, vitamin A2, vitamin D, C, D, and from which type of foods those vitamins are getting our body. Those also we studied. Okay, so today we will study in detail about the deficiency disease. Suppose if these type of vitamins are not getting enough amounts in our body, we may get some type of diseases. Even though in case of vitamins and in case minerals also, sufficient amount of minerals are not getting our body, then we may get different types of diseases. Okay, so the name of diseases are I wrote here: night blindness, beriberi, scurvy, then rickets, then lack of minerals, that will be closer, brittle bones, goiter, and anemia. So these all these things, how it happens, how it comes in our body, these all these things we will study today in detail. Okay, so that is about that one. So moving to, this is the third video of the same chapter, part 3. Okay, so we'll without any delay we will go to our class. Okay, so first one, balanced diet. Why we need a balanced diet in our daily life? We always take our life routine, एक दिन का खाना का रूटीन ऐसे होगा. Morning time we may have a breakfast, then in the noon time we will have a lunch, then evening you may have chai or snacks or something like that, then in the night time we may have a supper. Okay, so supper, that is the this routine of food which we are following in our daily life. Okay, so why we must have a balanced diet? What is a balanced diet? That is a important question which is given here. Okay, why we must have a balanced diet? Although we know that we need this one carbohydrates, proteins, different types of nutrients in our body to be this one healthy. Okay, so in the form of a pyramid, that is given in your textbook, what all types of food we must have in our daily life. Okay, so our food is classified into this one 4 categories about based on that nutrients. Okay, so the food which we eat more in number, that will come in the base. Okay, this downside portion, because this is the biggest portion in this pyramid. So food pyramid like that only needed for our body, that will be in more in number, that will be in the base form, then again less in number, it will come in the next, then again next, which is needed little bit only, that will come in the top portion. Okay, so the food which we eat more in number, more in amount, okay, our body must get more amount of nutrients. That is the first one, carbohydrate. Carbohydrates. Okay, so we must take food which contains carbohydrates, which more in number. Okay, carbohydrates. Okay, that is why we are taking this one rice, dal, then again these wheat, atta, or some flour. Okay, those are rich in carbohydrates. So that is the food we must take more in number in our. We must include more in this one our this one food pattern. Okay, so carbohydrates which is needed for our body more in number because it provides the energy out to our body. Okay, so carbohydrates. After carbohydrates, we must include food contains vitamins and minerals. The second, this one step that is a second our body need after carbohydrates, that is vitamins and minerals. Okay, then again the next one is proteins, and finally the top portion, that is fats. Okay, so this is the food pyramid which is given in your textbook. Okay, we must include the food which contains carbohydrates more, that we must take our daily life more in number. Okay, the next one, after carbohydrates we must include food which contain vitamins and minerals. All these things needed for our body in more and more. Okay, that is why carbohydrates first, vitamins and minerals second, then proteins we must take the proteins, and again fat content must be less, that is why this is in the top. So from coming to top to bottom, it shows that our body need smaller, then larger, उससे बड़ा, सबसे बड़ा we must take. Okay, so this is the food, this one pattern, or the food we must take in our daily life. This shows that one. Okay, so that is about that one balanced diet. We must include all these types of this one carbohydrate, all these types of nutrients in our this food pattern which we follow in our life. Okay, means we should not take the food which contains fat more in the so what will happen if you take the food which contain more amount of fat, which increase your body weight and your body will become overweighting. Okay, so that is about that one. That is why fats put in the top of this food pyramid. Okay, so I think all of you may understood about this food pyramid. And the last one, there is a small definition given about a balanced diet. Please just look at that. We should always take a balanced diet that contains food from each food group. That is a food is rich in carbohydrate, food is rich in vitamins and minerals, proteins and fats. All these things needed for our human body. So इसको सबको मिला के we must take a balanced diet. Means the food which you are eating, which must contain carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins and minerals, fats. All these things must be included. Okay, we should not avoid this one proteins from the food, or we should not concentrate a particular type of food which includes only fat. ऐसा नहीं करना है, सबको मिला के all the nutrients must be included which the food which we eat. Okay, so that is about that one. We must a balanced diet that contains food from each food group in a right amount. Okay, so a balanced diet is a diet that provides our human body with all the essential nutrients in the right amount. हम लोग का body को जो चाहिए the right amount. Okay, that must be included in our all types of food which we eat. You should not focus on this one pizzas, burger, Maggi, etc., which are not contained in enough amount of this one, carbohydrates and fats and this one, etc. Although this junk food may tasty, okay, but it will not give enough amount of this one, enough amount of energy or enough amount of proteins to our body, which is needed for the growth of our human body, and which will not keep our body healthy. Okay, so we must focus on the food which contains rich amount of carbohydrates and vitamins and minerals. Okay, which always keep your body healthy. So that is about a balanced diet. I think almost you may understood that one. Moving to the bigger part of today's portion, that is this one, deficiency diseases. Simply we can say the lack of vitamins and minerals results different types of diseases. Okay, to our human body, those are called deficiency diseases, which means if our body is not getting enough amount of vitamin A, then it will result to this disease, that is a night blindness. Okay, so before going to that one, like Vasiti will explain in detail. So before going to that one, you just look at the textbook, page number 16. Please take textbook with you, keep it beside with you. Please read it regularly before the video and after the video. Okay. So I will go to that definition. Vitamins and minerals keep us healthy and protect us from bad microbes or germs. हम लोग का बॉडी से जो बाहर से जो कीड़ा सब आ जाएगा, तो germs आ जाएगा, उसको क्या करना है, रेसिस्ट करने के लिए our body needs this one vitamins and minerals. Okay, so even though we need small amounts of vitamins and minerals daily, okay, a little bit of vitamins and minerals daily. Okay, so that is already included which the food which you are taking. Okay, so you don't worry about that. Oh, आज vitamin D नहीं मिला, आज vitamin C नहीं मिला. ऐसा नहीं सोचना है. The food which you are eating, okay, which always contains different types of vitamins. Okay, so we can get sick if we do. We do not get such different types of vitamins in our body. We may fall sick or we may get different types of diseases. Okay, so next one is a definition. Please underline that. An insufficient supply of vitamins and minerals in our body causes certain diseases. That is a deficiency diseases. Please underline and please study that one. That definition is important. Then the table below lists some different types of deficiency diseases. Look at the table. One एक साइड में deficiency vitamins, the vitamins which likewise लिखा हुआ है बुक में. देखिए एक साइड में vitamins का नाम लिखा है. Then the second table, this one, the second column which shows you that the name of the deficiency which may get deficiency diseases which may get to our human body. Okay, so that is about that one. Then the symptoms of those diseases. Okay, it shows how you can understand that those types of diseases are present in your body. So our body will show some symptoms. Okay, so then finally, what are the food we must take, okay, to avoid these type of small diseases. Okay, so that is about that one. So moving on with the explanation of one by one. First one is this one, lack of vitamin A. If our body is not getting enough amount of vitamin A, what happens? We get night blindness. Okay, रात में we cannot see. Okay, although रात में अंधेरा है, I don't mean like that. अंधेरा में this one nobody can see. But if in the night time light is there, then also we cannot see clearly or we cannot see properly. We cannot this one separate one thing from another. So that may result. Okay, that is we called it as a night blindness. Okay, so for that one, the symptom is a poor night vision. You cannot see the things properly in the night time. Okay, so blur लगता है हम लोग का आँख में. So that is called this one night blindness. If our body is not getting enough amount of vitamin A, it will result to night blindness. Okay, so what we have to do? We must take food which contains enough amount of vitamin A. So that is given as a recommended food. Look at the textbook. We must include leafy vegetables such as spinach, palak, cabbage, etc., etc. Then again carrot, sweet potato, pumpkin, tomato, papaya, mango, and egg yolk. Okay, those are the food you must take that gives your body enough amount of vitamin A. Okay, so that is about that one. First one, I think almost all of you may understood about that one. Then second one, lack of vitamin B. If your body is not getting enough amount of vitamin B, what happens? It will result to the second type of disease, that is beriberi. Okay, beriberi is a disease name. Okay, beriberi, and it is of two types. That is a wet beriberi and a dry beriberi. Okay, it affect our chest and affect our heart. Okay, what happens? This one, it is also called vitamin B1, B2. ऐसा vitamin का सब level है, मतलब vitamin का अलग अलग नाम होता है, subdivision होता है. So what happens? This beriberi disease, it will affect our it will result this one. These are the symptoms of beriberi this one disease. Weak muscles and nerves. हम लोग का body में जो muscle होता है, that will be very weak. We are not strong enough. Okay, muscles weak हो जाएगा. Then frequent muscle cramps. So if you hold like that our muscles, what happens? We may feel very much pain. Okay, so that is then again on tiredness. Although if our muscles are weak, our bones are weak, we may always this one feel very sick and we may always tired. Okay, so that those are the symptoms of beriberi, which may result to be heart failure. Okay, in future, or if you have beriberi, if you are not taking enough amount of vitamin B, the food which contains vitamin B, what happens? Even your result of heart failure, or you may get so you may be die. Okay, so what we must do? We must take food which contains vitamin B more in number. Those are the foods. That is sprouts. Sprouts means different types of this one chana hoga, then again pea hoga, etc., etc. We must put in water, then the next day it will be grow this one. As we studied the growing of plants in that, so that thing you can eat which contains rich in protein. Okay, so such a type of food you must include in your daily diet, which will provide your body that is a vitamin D. Okay, sprouts, then whole grain cereals like atta, then again matar, etc., etc. Then again unpolished rice means sort nahi karna hai, सीधा जो this one directly we must take this one rice and gold. Then again milk, nuts and meat, which are the food which contains this one vitamin B. Okay, so that is about that one. Next one, vitamin C. If our body is not getting enough amount of vitamin C, it will result to scurvy. Okay, scurvy means a type of disease which affects our this one gum, teeth में जो gum होता है, where the teeth will sit together एक ही साथ बैठा है ना, this one gum बोलते हैं उसको, that teeth जो रखा हुआ है ना हम लोग का मुंह में, so that place which teeth hold, that is our tooth is holded by gums. Okay, so वहाँ से क्या आएगा, it will this one खून आएगा, blood will come outside. Okay, that type of disease is called scurvy. Our teeth are not strong enough to holded by, not strongly holded by those gums. So what happens, bleeding आ जाएगा, खून निकलेगा, so that is called this one scurvy. Okay, which holds our teeth. Okay, so that is about the scurvy. If our body is not getting enough amount of vitamin C, it will result to scurvy. Okay, in between the tooth, what happens? Food nikalega, and our this one mouth is not strong enough to chew different types of food. Okay, so what we have to do? The symptoms with this, that is joints are swollen, joints and gums bleed very easily. Those are the symptoms. Okay, this one दांत का भी इससे खून निकलेगा, तो that is the more symptoms which shows that your body is not having vitamin C. So you must take some types of food which makes your tooth gums strong. Okay, those are Indian gooseberry amla, that is we may put it in the different types of pickles, that is amla. Then guava, kiwi, grapefruit, angur, then papaya, etc. Orange, lemon, pineapple, apple, green and red peppers. So many examples are given there. Almost you are familiar with those types of fruits and etc., etc., which contains this large amount of vitamin C. Okay, so that is about that one. Scurvy, that is food nickler, that is the about that one. Vitamin C, lack of vitamin C will result scurvy. Okay, the next one, last vitamin, that is vitamin D. If our body is not getting enough amount of vitamin D, it will result to a deficiency disease that is called rickets. Okay, rickets it is. Although while studying all these things, after seeing this video, you just look at this one, night blindness, just Google कर दीजिए, इसका images मिल जाएगा. Okay, so that will be easy to study. I'll put a small photo also, so that also will make you to this one understand a little bit nicely. Okay, so that is about that one. We are discussing about the vitamin D, lack of this one vitamin D results a deficiency disease that is called rickets. Okay, so rickets means what is that? Rickets means आप लोग का chest है ना, maybe this chest will यहाँ पे जो join करना portion है, that will go inside. You can see a small this one big like portion here. नहीं तो that is a one type of this one rickets. Although नहीं है तो we can see this one a projection here in front of the chest. यहाँ portion में there will be a projection. I'll show the images. Okay, you will be understand as what would rickets. Okay, so pigeon chest or tiny and undeveloped and both. Pigeon chest is first this one. If our body is not having enough amount of vitamin D, rickets आएगा. It shows symptoms like that. You may have a small projection in front of your this one chest. यहाँ पे बीच में there will be a projection. I'll put a photo. और नहीं है तो lack of vitamin D result to bored legs. हम लोग का legs टेढ़ा मेढ़ा हो जाएगा. Okay, so that is about टेढ़ा मेढ़ा मतलब ऐसा, ठीक है. Although our legs are straight now, we can work nicely. So the person who is having rickets, their legs are टेढ़ा मेढ़ा हो जाएगा. मतलब यहाँ से इधर से क्या होगा, ऐसा होगा, ठीक है. So likewise, it is a result lack of vitamin D. The person cannot walk properly. Okay, it will result to rickets. So some food we must include that our body gets, which include which our body gets enough amount of vitamin D. Okay, so first thing is the main source of vitamin D. You just simply stand in the sunlight. Okay, not in the this one noon time, in the morning time. Okay, so that temperature we can easily क्या करेंगे तो हम लोग का बॉडी में छोटा टेम्परेचर है तो वी डोंट गेट एनी प्रॉब्लम्स ओके वी कैन स्टैंड पसीना नहीं आएगा सो इन द मॉर्निंग सनलाइट दैट इज अ good source of vitamin D. Okay, so we must exposure to sunlight. You just look at the textbook recommended food. First one is not about food. Exposure to sunlight helps our body to make vitamin D. If our body gets that morning sunlight, अपना अपना से हम लोग का बॉडी अपना से क्या करेंगे विटामिन बॉडी which will make okay हम बनाएंगे विटामिन डी नहीं है तो we must include some types of food that is cod liver oil. Cod liver oil means fish oil. That is available in the market. Fish oil, then salmon, tuna fish, egg yolk and fortified milk. Those are the food which contains rich amount of vitamin D. Okay. So if you have such a type of food, if you include such a type of food in your daily life, what happens? You can avoid this disease, rickets from your life. So those are the deficiency diseases, lack of these vitamins. Okay. Now lack of minerals. What happens? What are the deficiency diseases? It happens to our human body if our body is not getting enough amount of calcium, not getting enough amount of iodine, not getting enough amount of iron. Okay, what will happen to our body? What are the deficiency diseases? Okay, that we are going to discuss. Look at the second downside portion of the table. Lack of the mineral calcium. Okay, although we know we take food which contains rich amount of calcium, which helps our this one bone stronger. Okay, so if our body is not getting not enough amount of this one calcium, and happens brittle bones. हम लोग का bones will be this one छोटा छोटा hole आ जाएगा. Okay, brittle means that is the meaning. You check in the dictionary, you will get a exact Hindi meaning. I don't know the Hindi meaning. It's small holes in the this one bones. Okay, even though there will be the structure of the bone in our body, the structure will be there. But क्या हो जाएगा bones में छोटा छोटा hole है तो bones can easily broken. Okay, so that will happen to our human body. Deficiency diseases with this lack of calcium. Okay, mineral calcium in our body. The deficiency diseases which we are getting our body is that is brittle bones. Okay, brittle bones and the symptoms is bones become very weak and soft. Although some students are there, some छोटा छोटा बच्चा होगा क्या है brittle bones है जो जल्दी जल्दी क्या करेंगे घूमेगा इधर उधर घूमेगा तब कहीं पे दीवार में क्या करेगा हिट करेगा ये तो कहीं पे गिर जाएगा तो उन लोग का हड्डी जल्दी टूट जाएगा so that shows that his or her body is not having enough amount of calcium so इसलिए उसका हड्डी जल्दी जल्दी टूट जाएगा so if you have such a type of problem you think that your bone is very weak you are not taking enough amount of the food which contains calcium. So you must include some type of food that is milk, egg, fish, meat and leafy vegetables. Those are very rich in calcium. Okay, which result which if our body is not getting enough amount of calcium, it will result to this brittle bones. Okay, so that is about that one. Moving to next one, that is a mineral iodine. If our body is not getting enough amount of mineral iodine, what happens? It will result to goiter. Okay, goiter means हम लोग का this one neck में there is a gland. Okay, thyroid gland is there. What happens if you are taking, although we are taking different types of sabjis morning में रोटी के साथ सब्जी खाएंगे so while making all these different types of food your mother is used to put this one salt नमक डालेगा so you don't worry about this disease नमक already in good contains that iodine okay so हम लोग का नहीं आएगा so if our body is not getting enough amount of iodine what happens it will result to goiter okay neck got swollen our हम लोग का neck क्या होगा धीरे धीरे बड़ा हो जाएगा swallowed हो जाएगा और thyroid gland का साइज क्या हो जाएगा इंक्रीज हो जाएगा then what happens thyroid gland क्या करेंगे thyroid gland is an important gland which contains our metabolism हम लोग का बॉडी का टेम्परेचर कंट्रोल करने के लिए thyroid gland हेल्प करेगा then again skin को then veins को हम लोग का ग्रोथ को so these all thyroid glands this one does different metabolical activity of human body. Okay, so if lack of iodine is there in our body, it will result to goiter. Okay, so the food which you take, okay, the food which you must include the different types of food which include iodine. Those are, look at the textbook, iodized salt, then seafood and the vegetables. Seafood and vegetables are rich in iodine. Although we used to put this one namak in our food. Okay, so that is always, you don't worry about these diseases. Okay, namak डालेगा तो ज़्यादा नहीं डालना है, which is needed for that sabji, that must be this one good. Then last one is a lack of mineral iron. If हम लोग का बॉडी में आयरन मिनरल कम है तो क्या होगा हम लोग को, then last disease that is अनीमिया आ जाएगा. अनीमिया मीन्स हम लोग का बॉडी का कलर चेंज होगा, पेल हो जाएगा. ठीक है, पेल एक्सैक्ट मीनिंग इज इन हिंदी डिक्शनरी यूज इट व्हाट इज पेल मीन्स हम लोग का बॉडी का कलर चेंज हो जाएगा. मीन्स आवर दिस वन रेड ब्लड सेल्स आर देयर इन आवर बॉडी. देयर इज अ रेड ब्लड सेल्स आर प्रेजेंट. ब्लड का कलर रेड कलर में, रेड ब्लड सेल्स आर देयर. सो क्या होगा, if you are not taking enough amount of iron, okay, the food which you contain iron, if you are not taking, what happens, हम लोग का बॉडी में रेड ब्लड सेल्स का काउंट कम हो जाएगा. तो इट रिजल्ट टू पेल, हम लोग का बॉडी अनहेल्थी हो जाएगा. Red blood cells helps the oxygen taking from the air which we take. Okay, so क्या हो जाएगा, oxygen which takes our human body, that will be less in number if our body is not having enough amount iron. So what happens, हम लोग का बॉडी में रेड ब्लड सेल्स नहीं है तो our body का कलर ऑटोमेटिकली चेंज हो जाएगा. I'll put a photo to understand these diseases, brittle bones, goiter and anemia. Okay, so these are the symptoms which we our human body shows that a person gets tired very easily. If our body is not getting enough amount of iron, हम लोग बहुत tired हो जाएगा. We are unable to stand. ठीक है, after 10 or 20 minutes हम लोग का body tired हो जाएगा. Without doing any work, our body will be tired. We will be fall down. Okay, then again looks pale and unhealthy. हम लोग का body का color change हो जाएगा. Okay, so those are the symptoms which shows our human body if our body is not having the enough amount of iron. Okay, so some food we must take our daily this food pattern. Those are the food which contains rich amount of iron. Those are grapes, dates, then bananas, peanuts, then jaggery, meat, etc. Those are the food which contains rich amount of iron. Okay, so which will this one, if you take those type of food, you will not get the disease, that is anemia. Okay, so those are the things about this one, different types of deficiency diseases we are studied. If our body is not getting enough amount of these vitamins, enough amount of these calcium, our human body will get these all types of different diseases. Shortly I'll explain once again. If our body is not getting enough amount of vitamin A, it will result to night blindness. विटामिन बी कम है तो क्या होगा, हम लोग का बॉडी में वेरी डिसीजेस आ जाएगा. विटामिन सी नहीं है तो स्कर्वी आ जाएगा. विटामिन डी हम लोग का बॉडी में कम है तो रिकेट्स आ जाएगा. ओके, सो दैट इज अबाउट दैट वन. डिफरेंट देन इफ आवर बॉडी इज नॉट गेटिंग इनफ अमाउंट ऑफ कैल्शियम, हम लोग का बॉडी ब्रिटल बोन्स, हम लोग का बोन्स हड्डी वीक हो जाएगा. If our body is not getting enough amount of iodine, we will get to goiter, swollen. Okay, हो जाएगा, बड़ा हो जाएगा. Okay, then again, if our human body is not getting this one iron, what happens? We will get very easily tired. We will be very tired. That disease is called anemia. Okay, so I think almost you may understood all these things. And one more important thing that these diseases, night blindness, very scurvy, rickets, etc. These are non-communicable diseases. मतलब ये आदमी से दूसरे आदमी को नहीं मिलेगा. If I stand a person who is having night blindness, I will not get a night blindness. Okay, if I eat with a person who is having scurvy, I will not get a scurvy. So these are called this one kind non-communicable diseases. If I start with a person who is having brittle bones, मेरा हड्डी को कुछ नहीं हो जाएगा. So that is about this one deficiency diseases are non-communicable disease. Okay, so non-communicable and communicable disease you will study in the next part. Okay, so I think all of you may understood this one. Please read the textbook, read it carefully and study the table, understand it properly. This one, check in Google the different types images of these diseases, night blindness, etc. Everything you check in Google. Okay, so So that is about dal today. I think all of you may understood all these things. Okay, this video is little bigger. Please kindly watch it full, and thank you all of you. Stay home, stay